This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, show me the program.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, this is a program.
Okay. So I want everyone to look at this program. Okay, she has written a class A and she has written a main method and she is printing some information on the console. System.out.println, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now tell me what is when you compile this program, what is the error you're getting?
Yeah, the Java C is not recognized.
Not recognized as a internal
Internal.
or external command, correct?
Yeah,
Okay. So I think Sriharsha also received this, got the same error, right?
Yeah, I texted you on WhatsApp.
Yeah. So what about others? Kathy, did you try this program or not?
No, I will try after this class.
Yeah, I wanted you to try before coming to the class from tomorrow.
Okay.
So because you definitely you cannot even imagine how many topics I'm going to teach you. You cannot even imagine. I'm going to teach so many topics. I'm going to pump so many topics into your brains. You should be able to receive all those things. It means you have to do a lot of hard work. You have to do a lot of hard work. So it means you have to practice the programs and try to understand the concepts thoroughly. Then only you will understand the next class. Okay. So after 10 days, definitely you will understand what I'm trying to say, because the number of topics will go on increasing. Every day the topic will go on increasing. So after 10 days, you'll have some 100 topics in your mind. If you don't practice it, it will be very difficult for you to, recollect all the things. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So let me make myself as presenter now. Yeah, are you able to see my screen, Divya?
yes, yes, Ramji.
Okay. So now I'll talk about the error that they are getting. So right now I am in which folder?
The November on desktop Java.
I mean, my current working directory is Java, correct?
Yeah.
My current working directory is Java. When I say uh, dir command, it will give me all the files present in the directory. So these are the files a.java and a.class, correct?
Yeah.
So when I say dir, it will list all the files present in the directory. For example, when I say cd dot dot, right now what is my current working directory?
November.
So when I say dir, it will give me all the files present in the directory. So the Java is only one folder that is present in this directory, correct?
Yeah.
Yep. Yes.
Right. So now when I say Java C a.java, will it compile?
No.
Because this particular file is not present inside this directory, correct?
Yes.
Because when you're trying to compile a.java, it will check a.java file is present in the current working directory. If it is present, it will compile. If it is not present, how it can compile? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
It cannot go and check all the folders in the laptop where a.java is present, right?
Yep.
So it will give you an error saying that the file is not found. A.java file is not found, correct?
Right.
So, but when I say cd Java, when I navigate to the Java directory, and when I say Java C, a.java. Now a.java file is found, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So, but tell me one thing. Yes, a.java file is found. But what about Java C command? So did it find Java C command in this folder? Do you have a
No.
command called Java C in the Java folder?
No.
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 You don't have a Java C command inside the Java folder. Where exactly this command is present? This command is present inside the bin folder
Bin folder.
where Java is installed.
Yes.
Yeah.
If Java is installed, inside this bin folder you have this Java C command. So this is the directory. This is the directory in which the Java C command is present.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now, Divya, I wanted you to share your screen again. I'm sending a request again.
Yeah, sure.
One second, I'm sending a request. Yeah, share your screen. So is everyone able to see her screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so here she is getting an error. Java C is not recognized as a internal command, correct? Because that particular command is not present inside the current working directory called Java.
Yeah.
What is your current working directory? It is November Java. The Java is the
Java.
current working directory, correct?
Yep.
Yes.
In that directory, there is no command called Java C. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's the reason it is saying that I don't recognize this command. So I recognize a.java, fine. I am able to find a file called a.java, but I'm not able to find what is Java C command. If it is not able to find what is Java C command, how it can compile the program, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
It is not recognized as a internal command. Okay. So where exactly this Java C command is there? Divya, where exactly the Java C command is there?
C.
What is the location of that bin folder? Can you show us?
Okay.
Where did you install your Java? C drive softwares. Good.
C drive.
Yeah. So bin. Hold on. So can you copy the path of that directory? Can you copy the path? Control C.
Control.
Control C. Go to the command prompt. CD.
Okay.
CD space. Right click.
Okay.
Yeah. Enter. So now what is your current working directory?
Bin.
Bin.
CB.
Bin is the current working directory, right?
Yes.
Now, if you say Java C, it has to be recognized for sure, correct?
Yes.
When you say Java C, can you write Java C space
Version.
a.java? Hold on, don't click enter. Java C space a.java. Just hold on. Okay. Now, Java C command is present inside the bin folder. Will everyone agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So there is no problem to recognize that command. But can it recognize a.java?
Nope.
No.
Because a.java file is present on the desktop, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So can you click enter now? So file not found.
Yeah.
Alright. So now, did you understand the problem now? The problem is either the Java C command is recognized or the file is recognized. Both cannot be recognized, correct?
Yes.
So then what is the solution to this problem? Can you copy the a.java and keep it inside the bin folder? Can you
Yes.
copy a.java file and keep it inside the bin folder?
Okay.
Now a.java file is present inside the bin folder or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So can you say Java C space a.java, will it compile?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enter. there is a compilation error. Now it recognizes Java C, it recognizes a.java, it recognizes both the things. So it is trying to compile the program, and there is a compilation error.
Yes.
So did everyone understand this? First thing, I'm going to extend this topic, but did you understand till now?
Yes.
So, but do you think this is the right way of doing the things? Do you want to copy a.java, b.java, c.java, all the Java files that you write? Do you want to
No.
copy all those Java files into the bin directory? Do you think it is the
No.
right way?
No.
No. No.
So you should be able to compile wherever the files are present, whether the files are present on the desktop or whether the files are present in the D drive, whether the files are present in the E drive, in wherever the file is present, you should be able to compile. There should not be any restriction that you have to keep the files inside the bin directory, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the solution to this problem? So because the operating system is not able to recognize the javac command. If you're navigating to the desktop folder, if you're navigating to the November Java folder, so inside that folder it is able to recognize a.java file, but it is not able to recognize javac command. That is the main problem we are having right now, correct?
Yes.
Because it is not recognized as a internal command. That command is not present in the current working directory. So the operating system, the DOS operating system, this is a DOS operating system, right?
Yes.
The DOS operating system is not able to recognize that command. It is
Okay.
not able to recognize it as a internal command. So internal command means it will go and check in the current working directory if that command is there or not.
Yes.
It is not able to recognize as an internal command, then it will try to, the operating system will try to check if it can recognize it as an external command. The operating system will try to check if it can recognize this command as a external command. If it is not able to recognize it as an internal command, it will try to check if it can recognize it as an external command. In case if it is not able to recognize it as an external command, then it will give you error saying that javac cannot be recognized as an internal or external command.
Yes.
So what is meant by external command? That's what we have to learn now. Correct?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So now let me make myself as presenter again. So in my laptop, when I say javac space a.java, others when I say javac, just javac, this command is recognized. It recognizes the command. So actually the command is not there in this folder. If I say dir, there is no command called javac in this folder, correct?
Yes.
But
Yes.
still it is able to recognize that command. It means it is recognizing it as an external command, not as an internal command. So let me try to explain what is meant by external command.
Okay.
So before explaining that, let me talk about there is a variable called path. There is a variable called path. Okay, so this is called an environment variable. I'll make you understand it very clear. Don't worry, just focus here. Okay, so there is a variable called path, which is a environment variable. This is an environment variable. So when operating system is not able to recognize any command, if it is not able to recognize any command or if it is not able to recognize anything, then what it will do is it will go and check, the operating system will go and check if there is any command called javac at the environment level, at the operating system environment level, So it will go and check in the path variable, in the environment variable called path. So let me show you that. Go just type environment variables. So then you see edit the system environment variables, right? Just
Yeah.
click on that. Just click on that. Now click on the environment variables. So these are the environment variables. These are the system variables. These are the user variables. So forget, I'll talk about what is meant by system variables. I'll talk about what is meant by user variables. But first, for time being, I'm talking about the system variables. Okay.
Okay.
In the system variable, you have a variable called path. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and you also have you have so many variables. You can define so many variables. That's your wish. You can create a new variable if you want. Give the variable name, give the variable value. You can define any number of variables here. These are called environment variables. These are environment variables. If you look here, it's clearly showing environment variables, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So now in the system variables, go and click. There is already a variable called path variable, correct?
Yeah.
Just go and click on that path. So there are so many things here, correct? There are so many paths. This is the first path. This is the first path. This is the second path. This is the third path, fourth path, so on, correct? There are so many paths, correct?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
So what operating system will do is, when it is not able to recognize Java C as an internal command, it will go and check the path variable. It will go and check each and every path present in the path variable. Each and every path present in the path variable. It will go and check the first path. So inside this path, C drive, program files, common files, Oracle, Java, Java path. Inside this path, inside this directory, it will check if there is a command called Java C. Obviously, there is no command called Java C inside this path. Then it will go and check the next path. Is there any variable called? Is there any command called Java C inside the second path? Obviously, there is no command called Java C inside the second path. So it will check each and every path until and unless it finds the Java C command.
Okay.
Okay. So it did not find in the second path, it did not find in the third path, it did not find in the fourth path, and so on. Finally, it found the Java C command in this particular path.
Yes.
Okay.
So now it recognize that command, because when Java C command is not recognized as an internal command. Internal command means what? It will check in the current working directory.
Okay.
When it is not able to find that command in the current working directory, before giving an error, it will go and check at the environment level. Is there any command defined at the environment level?
Mm-hmm.
So it will go and check the path variable, especially path variable. Go and check each and every path in that path variable.
Mm.
So for example, if it finds Java C command inside the first path, then it will not check the second path.
Okay.
It has to find that command somehow. So if it finds in the second path, it will not go to the third path.
Mm.
Getting it? So right now it found the path. It found the Java C command in this particular path. So it will not check these two paths. It will check the first path. It will check the second path, third path, and so on. Here it found the Java C command. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it will not check these two paths. It will just, because it already found it. Correct?
Yeah.
Yep. Yes.
So now it knows what is Java C command, because it is recognizing that command.
Mm.
Now
Okay.
using that command, it is recognizing that command as an external command, because that command it found the command in the environment level, in the path variable, correct? Not in the current working directory. It is not
Yes.
recognizing it as an internal command, but it is recognizing it as an external command.
Okay.
So now it knows what is Java C. Now using Java C, you can now it knows what is Java C. It knows what is a.java, because a.java is there in the current working directory, and Java C is recognized in the path variable. So it knows what is Java C. It can compile the program.
Okay.
So now let me make you as a presenter, Divya. I wanted you to follow these steps and do the thing. One second.
You want us to set it up too, sir, at the same time?
I'm sorry.
You want us to set it up too? Like, you want me to try that too?
No. First let Divya try, then I will make you as a presenter.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So I want everyone to check Divya's screen first. So Divya, so right now you're you're in the current working directory, correct?
Yeah, yes.
I don't want you to be in the bin directory. I want you to be in the desktop. Go and go and change your current working directory.
Okay.
Good. Right click properties, copy the path, copy the location and CD.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter. Okay. So now hold on. Yeah. Now what you'll do is just type Java C space a.java. Now definitely Java C is not recognized, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is not recognized as internal or external command, correct?
Yep.
Yes.
So now let us go and check your path. Can you click on in the search? Can you type environment variables?
Okay.
Edit the environment variables for your account.
Okay.
In the system variables, you have a variable called path. In the system variables, you have a variable called path. Double click on that. Double click on that. Nothing happened, right? So can you please cancel that?
Okay.
Again, type system variables. Sorry, environment variables. Hold on. Hold on. Click edit the system environment variables, not the second option, first option.
First option. Okay.
Now you should be able to edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Go to the system variables now. Click on double click on path. Okay, hold on. So now when Java C is not recognized as an internal command, it will go and check in the environment level the path variable. It will check the path variable. If there is any command that is defined in this path, correct? It will check in the first path. It will check in the second path, third path, and so on. But do you have the bin directory of Java in this path? No, right?
No.
So it is not able to recognize that as an external command in any of the paths. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Not able to recognize Java C command in the first path, in the second path, in the third path, in the fourth path, and so on. Agreed?
Yep.
That's why it is giving an error. It is not recognized as an internal or external command. Correct?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
So now can you create a new? Can you click on new? Right click new. Create a new path. Not right click. Click on the new. Yeah. So just copy and paste that bin location. The bin folder location. Copy and paste.
Okay.
Click new again. Just Control V. Click OK. Now we added the path, right? Now it will go and check each and every path, but now it will find in the bin folder, it will find the Java C command, correct? Click OK
Okay.
and click OK. Now type Java C space a.java and don't click enter. Java C space a.java and don't click enter. Just hold on for my command instructions. Okay, now I'm asking everyone. So will it recognize the Java C command now?
Maybe
Yes.
not, sir.
Because what is happening here is, yes, Java C command is configured as in the path because you configured the bin path, right? It should be recognized as an external command no matter what, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
But why it will not recognize? So
Because
it
it did not.
recognize that, right? It did not recognize, agreed? Correct?
Yeah, it don't.
You
Because
say what?
what is happening here is when you open the command prompt, while opening the command prompt, it will read the entire path information and keep it with it. Now, what are the changes you made in the path that those changes are not known to this command prompt.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
particular command prompt does not know the changes made in the path. So now, right now, you just created a new path called bin folder, right?
Yeah.
So those changes are not known to this command prompt. because while opening the command prompt, while opening this window, it will read the entire path information and keep it with it. The entire environment info, that is the environment variables. The environment variables information, it will read the entire things and keep it with it. If you make any modifications, it doesn't read it doesn't read those modifications, because while opening the window, what is the state of that path, it will read that state and keep it with it. Getting it? Now you have
Yeah.
to close the command prompt and open the command prompt again. Now while opening the command prompt, it will read the changes that you already made. Got it?
Okay.
So please close the command prompt and open the command prompt again. So whatever.
Nothing. It's my throat.
So go and navigate to the desktop folder.
Okay.
Dia, hold on. Can you cancel that?
Okay.
And just click on Java folder. Open that Java folder. Open that. Right click on that and properties. Right click on that and properties. No, you're opening that. Right click on that. Yeah, properties. Copy that path. This is easy, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you have to do CD Java again.
Yeah. Yes.
CD space right click. Right click. No, yeah. Enter. So now you are in the Java folder, correct? Now when you say
Yes.
Java C space a.java, click enter. Now it is able to recognize that a.java file. It is able to recognize the Java C command both, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So why the compilation errors did not come? Did you remove those compilation errors?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, if there is any compilation error, so first focus on the class. We can remove the compilation errors while talking also.
Okay. Okay.
So can you go and check the folder now? Do you have a.class file?
Yeah. Okay.
Correct? So the
Yeah.
program is compiled successfully and .class file is generated. Will everyone agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now the point is, in this class, we discussed about what is a path variable. That is an environment variable, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So when operating system is not able to recognize any command as an internal command, then it will go and check if that command is configured as an external command. If that command is present in the path that is configured in the path variable. Path is an environment variable. It's a operating system environment variable.
Okay.
Okay.
So Sri Harsha, did you resolve your error now?
No, you asked me to wait, so that's why I still
Yeah.
did not
So now
answer.
after now you can close the command prompt and open the command prompt. It should resolve.
Give me
Correct?
just a
Morning you are doing it in the same command prompt, right?
No. I closed and I even set the environmental variables in a different way, but it did not work out. So
Okay.
now
Let
I have to set it in the path.
me make you
I'll
as a
show you
demo.
what it is. Yeah.
Show your screen. Yeah, show your screen. So let us try to see what is the error he is getting and why it is not working for him, and let us solve it. I want
Okay.
everyone to focus.
Yeah. Did you get it, sir? My screen.
Yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Please open the command prompt
Yeah. Give me just a
and
moment.
call me as Ramji. I don't.
Yes,
I
Ram.
don't
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to-
My bad. I forgot. So Windows R and CD space experiments.
Control C. Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah,
Java
C.
space a.java. Wait, tell me one thing. Why are you giving a space? Is there any space after before Java C?
No.
You can give Java C directly. Yeah. Okay. A.java.
C.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is not recognized the internal command for sure, but why it is not recognizing it as the external command? Let's see that. So show me your path variable.
Yeah. See, I gave it like Java home C dot software slash Java bin, but it still did not
Okay.
declare, and
Why?
I gave one here
I
too.
told you. I
Java.
just now I explained you. The operating system will go and check the path variable, not the Java home variable. It will check the path variable. It will explicitly check that particular variable called path.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that
But
is what I did this morning. That's
Java home, correct?
yeah.
So you have to give it in the path variable. So can you please give it in the path variable? If you
Yeah.
want, you can give it. Oh, hold on. Can you cancel that?
Yeah.
Can you give it in the path variable of the user variables?
Yeah. Here, right? There you go. That is where I gave it
No, that's
actually.
already a path variable.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, double click on that.
Yeah.
So you add a new variable. And you add a new path, not variable, not new path. Just copy
Yeah.
that bin folder.
Give me just a moment. Yeah.
Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Now close the command. Click OK. Close the command prompt and open the command prompt again. Because the command prompt which you already opened, it already has the previous path information, not the latest path information, right?
Yes.
Did everyone understand that point?
Yeah.
So hold on. Just type. Just hold on. Remove that. Just type Java C. Enter. Now it is recognized. It is recognized from
Yeah.
anywhere. Java C will be recognized from anywhere. Now you
Yeah.
can go to the desktop folder and you can compile the program now.
Yeah.
Got
There you
it?
go.
So
Yeah,
now
I got it.
Java C command is recognized because see, I
Yes.
want you to make it very clear. The operating system will go and check the path variable. It will not go and check the Java home variable. It will not go
Okay.
and check the other variables. It will check the variable called path.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and now I wanted you to explain what is meant by system variables and what is meant by user variables. Can you please open that again, that system, that environment variables? Okay, so if you observe here, there is a user variables for what is that? Can you read it out? Can you read it out that?
User variables for us. I mean, my name Sriharsha, and then system
Okay,
variables.
and there is system variables, correct? So
Yeah.
the meaning of you see earlier when I explained in Divya's laptop, I asked her to make the changes in the system variable, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am working in the Harsha's laptop. I am asking him to make the changes in the user variables, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So both are working, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the meaning is the user variables means for this particular user, because he must have logged into this laptop by using some username and password, right?
Yeah.
You can have multiple user accounts for your laptop. You can log in with your username and password. Someone else can come and log in with his username and password, right?
Yeah, like a guest
Yes.
password. Yeah.
Yeah, you can create multiple users, agreed?
Yes.
So the user who logged into the laptop, for that user, this path that is this path variable. Suppose if you create a path variable, right now assume that there is no path in the user variables, and you created a path. So that variable is for only for your account, not for the other account. If the other person come and log in into your laptop, he will not see that path.
Okay.
But system means it is for every user.
Okay.
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 Suppose in your system there can be 10 user accounts. You can create a guest account, you can create your own account, you can create an account for your brother or whatever it is, correct?
Right.
Yeah.
Everyone will have their own username and password, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
If they log into your laptop with that username and password, they see a different things that they created, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
And they don't see the things that you created, correct?
Yes.
Hold on, my battery is running out of charge. Hold on, let me charge my laptop. Okay. So did you understand that what do you mean by user variables and what do you mean by system variables?
Yes,
Yes.
Ramji.
So right now, because generally I believe that this is your personal laptop and no one else will use your laptop and there is only one user account, I believe, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So I think you can make the changes in the user variables. That will work.
Yeah.
But if you want to, if you make a change in the system variable for any user who log into your laptop and if they want to work up with Java programs, they can work because you already set a path at the system variables.
Yeah.
Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone have any questions on this?
No.
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 No. No.
So now I believe that everyone understood how to write a Java program, and how to compile the program, how to run the program.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm stopping this class with this because I promise you that I don't waste much of your time in the night. So
Okay.
I wanted you to practice these things. I want you to practice these things before coming to the class. Maybe tomorrow class at 8 o'clock Eastern time, right? Maybe you have to wake up 1 hour before and you have to go through the recording. I'll send the recording in some time. By the time you wake up in the morning, you will have recording in your email in your inbox.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ramji. Yeah.
Okay.
So please go through the recordings, this particular recording, and practice this, and come to the morning class. And tomorrow we'll discuss so many things. Tomorrow morning class is at 9 o'clock Eastern time. 9 o'clock, sorry, not 8
Yeah.
o'clock.
Okay.
So 9
Okay.
o'clock Eastern time is the morning class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
So,
Yeah. Sorry. Anything else?
so sorry, may I, how can I see the recording today's class?
I'll send you the recording to your email address. Are you receiving my previous emails?
Uh,
Did you send your email address in the group?
yeah, hold on a second. I'm just checking right now.
Is everyone receiving my emails?
Yes.
Yeah. I got them, Ramji.
Yeah, whoever is not getting the emails, please give your email address correctly in the group. I can forward the recordings. Okay, Hyun?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
give your email address in the group so that I can forward the recording.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.